Kementeri Jongka Sarkar Jilla Kebaderu ke Chairperson Jongka Roster Committee ke Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh Haka apanya utriku jeli kelai thu ba Shen ke Search Committee kan sepelat yaki kerteng jongki Riew Stad kataki experts ki mendon benta haka expert committee menkmi ya reservation policy.
Now we are in the process of searching.
Kekong Ampareen kalau ong baga committee ke bakli maka kam don yaga jingnang jingte bapura ban batai halor kani kamat. Hindrai wala kata kalau ong baga ni ke committee kan dang yai wa yaki expert lani ki Riew Stad ki ban puli benya ya kani ke reservation policy. Kalau ai roi ke jing pensyai bagi seng sang perthai kin sayo ya kelat banwanra ya ke jong jing ai jingmut bat kilat genti banwanra kamat ke committee.
We are anyways forming a committee of experts. We are now at the process of searching for members. Firstly, who will be willing to head such or to be member or to be part of such a committee.
Kementeri Kelaban Juru hakabede bagi jing penteri kam ya ke roster kalau ong ba kadon laga jong ke committee bat ki jing bagi jing ai jingmut jugi seng san betai prepare kila banwanra hakmat kani ke committee. Habakali lada kani ke committee kan khot lang ki wegi kan 100 pa ki badawa badai banyok san nakashi spa ke reservation nakaliang ke Kong Ampareen kala itu bala dep bandon ke jing lang bat kini ki nong mikman hakite yo bala dep hakabala ya kren bat ki dekot jong kini ki kan hon bat patha eki ban pha eki shithi terwa ke jong ki.
And hence there should be no fear from political parties because that is going to be sorted out. It may take time because it's a cumbersome exercise, but every political party will be permitted to be presenting its views before this committee.